Ka Center for Historical Research Synod College hakasni palai jangatayo kala penlong yaga national seminar halor kamat His Footprints in Time Trailblazers of Meghalaya in the Making of Modern India. Bat kani ka dairu kum shibenta jangajang rakia ka college ya ka Diamond Jubilee. Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka khat santrik ujemang arhajar arpusan. Ula Plie yaga national seminar halor phang His Footprints in Time Trailblazers of Meghalaya in the Making of Modern India. Yaga bala penlong daga Center for Historical Research jangka Synod College Shillong. Haka jingi dan lang UMP Syaka Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharluki kumu sembut kongsam. Habakran negara kesengi Menteri Rangba ulong baka Synod College kedai kejaka puria kemudian hakamat ban penlong yaki seminar kebon ra kejing sandur kebajengai. Bad ula bandur ru ana kejing dan kam ban tho ikot bad kejing wat bania. Ka seminar ketemu ban peni ban penpau ban tho ya kejing em bagi pateng jegi brio kemudian nok senyang hak em lang salang. Kejing nang jing start kalariti baka sanhima sima jong kejela bad kejat pendrio.
We started a program where we have research scholars being supported by the state government. We started with a small group of about 50 of them. We're giving a small seed money of about 3 lakhs per research scholar. And my intention is to expand this even further and support more and more research scholars. So I will be very happy. We'll be coming out with this year's applications also. So I do hope that some of the students will also take part in that, and I really encourage you to come out with very innovative ideas of research. There is so much that needs to be done, and it's something that we as a government, and especially I, would like to support and see more and more of this research being done. I'm also very keen to ensure that we are able to support researchers even in terms of making trips and research programs where they may need to travel to different parts of the country or different parts of the world to even figure out the roots and the backgrounds of our different tribes in our state and do more deep research on that. And that's something that I've been working on. Hopefully maybe in a few months' time we'll be able to come up with a very detailed program on actually going into the history and the entire background of the different tribes of our state and the actual journey that we, according to research, have followed and where did our tribes start.